You want to learn useEffect in 90 seconds? Here we go. useEffect allows us to apply logic across all lifecycle methods within a unified function API. useEffect is a function that accepts a function that you create as its initial argument. React then executes your function, or side effect, once it has updated the DOM with the current render. This function runs anytime there's a change in the stateful data of the component. This means it activates once the component is initially mounted with the default value, and then again each time the state or count changes. Although you'll probably prefer more precise control over this behavior. For example, let's say we need to fetch data when the component first mounts. We then asynchronously update the state after the data is fetched. This process could lead to an endless loop because every fetch leads to a state update, which then triggers another fetch, and so on. To handle this, we use a second parameter to useEffect, which is an array of dependencies. If you put an empty array, it signifies that there are no dependencies, which means it will only run once when the component is first mounted. But in some cases, you might want to re-execute the function whenever certain stateful data changes. This is done by including the state in the dependencies array. React will then track that value, and anytime it changes, it will rerun this function. Lastly, another aspect of useEffect is to execute some cleanup code when the component is unmounted. To implement this, we return a function from our useEffect callback. React will then use this function for cleanup when the component is being removed. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more React topics in 90 seconds.